Go. Hey, welcome back to ADV-Taiwan. This is Zhang Yufei.
I'm Sheena.
And we are at Guifugu waterfall. Help me say that correctly, baby.
I don't remember.
Ghost Axe Waterfall.
鬼斧头
No tall, just a Guifugu.
鬼斧谷瀑布
And it's in Duona Village in Maolin District, Kaohsiung. We are at the parking lot. You can see there's a lot of people parked, so I I have a feeling there's a lot of people camping tonight.
Oh, tonight?
So let's get started on our journey. So we're just now walking down to the riverbed. Whoa, whoa, be careful, Sheena. See some people playing there, but that's not where we're going. We're going deep into the jungle. Here. So we're at the riverbed now, just the start of the riverbed, and we're gonna just keep walking straight for maybe 45 minutes to an hour. Probably an hour because I have Sheena with me. No, you're an amateur, it's okay. Got the riverbed going on. Just keep walking straight. Brought my headlamp just in case it gets dark while we're here. Brought to you by Xiaobei, Baihuo Gongsi. No, they're not sponsoring this video. No, no one's sponsoring this video. Hell, I only have 448 subscribers. So I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, we're just making our way up the river. It's really nice today. The water level is perfect for any beginners, anyone that's not familiar with river trekking but want to come here. I recommend you come here before typhoon season, before it's really rainy, because the water levels will be higher and the current will be a lot faster and it will be much harder to get to. So right now is what, May? I think March and May, or sorry, January, February, March, April, May is probably the best time to come to this waterfall. At least want to bring a waterproof backpack and some waterproof shoes. Trust me, it'll save you a big headache. We're still walking. Sheena is having a great time. I'm so happy. She's so strong. Look at her. She's leading the way. I don't even need to lead the way. She's leading the charge. Oh, and look, there's letters. ELW. Very interesting. Let's go investigate. I have no idea what ELW is. Somebody's English initials, like my initials are NLS, Nick Louis Sanfilippo. So maybe it's someone like that. See here, someone left a message. Maybe it's for space people, I don't know. Let's check it out. This one deserves a photo. River crossing. This way is not, this way, 水很浅. Sheena 来了，加油! I said Sheena 来了，加油! Tuna BR. So. Good job. Crossing the valley. Sheena leading the way. Trying to give her water to me, what she's supposed to hold. Sheena, please help me. I have to have one hand. It's dangerous. Hopefully we're almost there. Yeah, I guess. Oh, photo everywhere. Almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there.
Hi, Nick. Nick is putting on his Yi. I can't wait to get into there. So pretty.
It's a little dark. Mom， 我不是叫你，我女朋友啊。Come on! We made it! Ghost Axe Waterfall. Going in! Someone didn't want to wear their Fanghan knee. No people here because it's getting dark. Yes, you can't come too late like me. Hi, kitty. Hi. We are waiting for our dinner, our very, very late dinner. No, never.
Because we passed the, what's that, rain?
Yes, it rains it rained crazy on our way home. Still is raining, but on the mountain it rained. 接下来呢 some clam, what is that? Not clams.
Oyster.
No, they're not oyster. Oysters, yeah, they're clams. Clams. 蛤蜊汤. Very, very must have it. It's a must have in Taiwan. Me and her order it all the time.